Hi, my name is Bhavna. Today we are live from Traders Conclave 2022. We have two amazing gentlemen here with us, Mr. Abhishek and Mr. Amit from NCDEX. So please introduce yourself and talk about yourself.
Thank you, Bhavna. So my name is Amit Upadhyay and I represent NCDEX. I had business development and market data sales. We are very excited to be part of this Traders Conclave at Bangalore, where we have been experiencing more than 300 footfalls of retail traders who are here to learn more about trading financial market derivatives product. At NCDEX, we are here to offer agri-derivatives, futures and options contract, which is available as part of this segment in financial market in India. India being the largest agri exporter, we have a lot of contracts in spices, pulses, cotton complex, cottonseed oil cake, we have castor, we have guar complex. And in non-agri products, recently we have launched steel contract, and we are coming up with coffee contract from Bangalore, Kushal Nagar, which is a base product of Karnataka and north of Kerala. Portfolio diversification and adding green to the portfolio is a message that we want to give to the retail traders and participants through the Traders Conclave 2022. And that is the reason we are here for, so that people can make best use of the volatile commodity derivatives market, and through diversification they can hedge against inflation and participate on NCDEX platform. Thank you.
Yeah. So my name is Abhishek I look after the content market structure department at NCDEX. Apart from all the commodities that Amit has mentioned, so there are multiple non-agri commodities as well, out of which steel is currently there on our platform. We also have one index, which is a cash settlement product on our platform called as Guarex. And the thing is, NCDEX is the largest agri-commodity exchange in India. It has around 80% of market share in agri-commodities. And now we are also, as Amit has put it, that we are expanding our portfolio by adding more and more non-agri commodities in our platform.
That's amazing. So when did you start? So what made you do this? Like, the idea of agriculture and then getting into the market and stuff like that. Like, there are very few people who do that. So
Exactly. So very few people know about our platform. India being a agri-centric country, there are a lot of farmers from north to south, east to west. A lot of commodities are there. India is one of the largest producer as well as exporter and importer when we talk about the agri-commodity. And still very few people know about that. These commodities like turmeric, jeera, castor, guar seed, guar gum are getting traded on exchange platform like any other asset class like equity and bonds and currency. So still there is a little awareness if you talk about the retail investor, but slowly and gradually we are capturing the market and people are getting aware about the this platform that that can be used by many, not only the hedgers or the traders, but other market participants as well, to hedge their risk and to look at the price discovery.
that's amazing. But what advice would you give for a new investor or new student, someone like me who has no idea about stock market or anything? But what would advice? What advice would you give me?
So as an advice, when we talk about investing into financial markets, we always advise don't put all your eggs in one basket. Suppose you have a lakh rupees to invest. So we always advise investors to invest equally among the various asset classes which is available into financial market segments. Say you are investing into equity, you are investing into commodity, gold, silver. You should also explore on the agri derivatives platform, mutual funds, and so on and so forth. Because if one market stumbled, your capital is protected, you are safeguarded against diversification. So that is one of the biggest advantage when you spread your investment across various asset classes, and agri being one of them.
Yeah, and it's always in demand.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So tell me about your time here in this event today.
As Amit has already put it, there are around more than 300 footfalls, and many retail investors, those who are not really aware about the agri commodity, now they are coming to us and they are really getting surprised to know that this kind of activity, this kind of platforms exist in India. So it is very interesting to see their reaction, and it's very kind of a informative discussion that is happening here through this conclave.
Even it was very informative to me because I had no idea.
Yeah, basically, so if you look at, contracts like turmeric, in a day, in our household, we consume 1 teaspoon or maybe 2 teaspoon of turmeric. But the awareness to the people is not that, you can also trade in turmeric, which is, a minimum 3 metric ton, 5 metric ton or a 10 metric ton contract. It is as good as you're trading any other derivatives in the financial market. So people are already trading equity futures, people are trading currency futures, people are trading gold, silver, natural gas, crude, metals futures. Similarly, you can trade on the agri derivatives futures also, because the rules and regulation of SEBI is applicable, sacrosanct against all the segment of the market.
I hope you're having fun here today.
Yes, absolutely. We are looking forward for more upcoming sessions and to have more interaction with all the people present here.
So can I ask you, when did you start this company, and when did you guys get interested in?
So NCDEX started way back in 2003, and this is a journey from 2003 to 2022. So we are not a new stock exchange to the country, and we are very prominent, as Abhishek said, that we have the largest market share in terms of agri derivatives contract. So being our shareholders being NABARD, NSE, LIC, so we are more driven towards protecting the interest of the farmers, who is the ultimate food giver to the entire population of this country. Again, if you look at the demand and supply dynamics, it is very much important to understand that when you trade commodity and currency, it is more of a demand and supply. It is very seasonal in nature. It is very easy to understand the product. Unlike when you trade in equity markets, you have 5,000 to 6,000 scripts to choose to trade. When you trade agro derivative segment, you have handful of contracts, which is 10 to 15 contracts, where you can easily pick and choose either of the contract. You can start trading by learning them, and then you grow by investing into more commodities.
So thank you so much for your time, and thank you for the information. I hope it will help a lot of people, and a lot
Sure.
of people will be aware of this.
So we have a session tomorrow. So in that session, we would like to explore our product, our platform to the entire audience
I'm looking
tomorrow
forward
morning.
for that session.
Yeah,
I'll
sure,
definitely watch it.
sure.
Thank you.
Thank you,
so
thank you
much.
so
Bhavna.
much, Bhavna.
Yeah.